Hi there, welcome to Tughal's YouTube channel and tutorial videos. Tughal provides lottery systems software. Today I'm going to be showing you the second part of using the Analyzer program. If you haven't watched the first part, I suggest you go back and have a look at that. The second part I'm going to concentrate on the main front tab of the Analyzer program. So you may recall from the first tutorial, once you open it, it'll open whatever latest data you've downloaded, and it'll then allow you to start analyzing the previous draws and the previous numbers. In this case, we've still got the supplementaries on. We can turn them on or off by clicking here, and you can see that the table that we're looking at, the filter data for Monday lottery, either includes or excludes the supplementaries. This table down the bottom left simply shows you the number of times each lottery number has been counted in the draw set that we're looking at. So we're looking at 5 draws, and these are the lottery numbers and how often they were counted. If you scroll to the bottom, you can see that there's a few numbers that have been counted twice, quite a lot that have been counted once, and actually quite a few as well which have not been counted at all. The last drawn is simply the numbers which were previously drawn and at what point. So for example, ball number 33 was last drawn 5 draws ago. If you look at the table of information, you can see there's 43 there. And you can also see that 43 doesn't appear anywhere in the top section. So the last time it appeared was 5 weeks ago. Anytime you see a number 1 here, those numbers would have been drawn most recently. So for example, 8, 14 and 25, 8, 25 and 14 were all drawn in the most recent draw. For the chart, we can switch between the count, how many times each number has appeared in these set of draws, to when it was last drawn. You can also chart both at the same time. Now the purpose of this main screen and the chart here is simply to allow you to quickly look at however many draws you're analyzing. So if we increase it by 10 and go to 15 previous draws, and we look at, for example, the count, how many of the lottery numbers appeared how often in these 15 draws. And you can see here ball number 20, ball number 31 and ball number 34 all appeared 5 times. If you look at the count and we scroll to the bottom of the table, there are those numbers. So in the last 15 draws, if you had chosen those 3 numbers consistently, you would have had 3 winning numbers or 3 matching numbers 5 times out of those 15 draws. The purpose of this is simply to give you that sort of analysis to try and help you decide whether you want to use numbers which do seem to appear frequently or not. One of the ways I use this is to go to the last drawn and reduce the number of draws, because that doesn't really impact this bottom bold set here, and then simply start scrolling backwards through the data set to see if there's any apparent pattern of numbers falling down the screen. Occasionally what you may find when you're looking at different lottery types is there seems to be an accumulation either in the top end of the chart or occasionally in the bottom end. So that's pretty much it for the main analysis page. Obviously if you change your lottery, so if we go for example to the Wednesday lottery, it defaults to the settings we used. We need to click this to get rid of those supplementary numbers if you don't want to show them. And then you can do the same thing. You can decrease the number of draws you're looking at. You can change the starting row. And again, you can analyze how often balls are drawn, and which were drawn last. That's it for tutorial number 2 of the Analyzer application. Please watch the other tutorials, and we try and show you the apps in some detail. Thanks for watching. Good luck using the Analyzer software. All the best. Bye for now.